Hello friends, welcome to Senior to Junior Academy. Friends, I welcome you all to our SSB guidance course. Friends, in this video, I am going to discuss about the SSB conference. Friends, I have got a lot of mail from the candidate regarding the kind of question being asked in the SSB conference. So friends, in this video, I have brought all the question for you, the kind of question being asked in the conference, and my experience also I will discuss in this video. Friends, so I myself, Abhishek Kumar Singh, I got recommended from 14 SSB Allahabad for Short Service Commission Technical Entry. Friends, what I have planned is that I will discuss this video in three parts. That is, the first part I will discuss how the conference is conducted. The second part I will discuss about my experience, and third part I have collected the question from my friends who have appeared in various SSB conference. So friends, let's get started. So friends, this conference is basically held in the 5th day after all your important tests, that is the interview, that is psychological test and GTOs are over. So friends, what I can say, a conference is basically a get together with all the officers, and if they have certain doubt, they will clear it from you and then you will be told to go. So friends, important thing about the conference is that, friends, this is the proud thing that you can have in your life, friends. For me, that is the proudest thing that I can say, that I have appeared in the conference, because you are interacting with 10 to 15 officers in uniform. I don't think that being an SSB aspirant, I wearing a uniform is the dream, but before that, this is a proud thing that I can say, that I interacted with the officers in conference. So friends, this is the scenario of conference. And one more thing I would like to tell is that that chest number can be called in the reverse order also. What I mean by reverse order is that, for example, if there are 30 candidates, they can call from chest number 1 also, or they can call from chest number 30 also. That depends on them. So friends, I would like to share now my experience of conference. That is, when I was called in, I was asked, the first question that I was asked, that what I was thinking outside before entering into the room. So this is the first question that they were asked. And one important thing that I would like to tell you, that when you enter the room, you wish all the officers and just stand by the side of the chair till the time they tell you to sit. This is the important thing that you should keep in mind. The second question that they asked me was that how was the food. The third question they asked me was that any suggestion regarding the improvement of the accommodation and fooding. And third question that they asked me was that how many friends you made in the SSB. So this is the few questions that they asked me, and then I was told to go. This is the hardly my conference happened for 2 to 3 minutes, I guess. Now this is my experience, but I have brought a list of questions for you that I have taken from the candidates that may help you in conference. So first 4 questions that they asked me was that how was the food, any suggestion, how many friends did you made, and the thing that what I was thinking outside before entering into the conference hall. This is the 4 questions that they asked me. That the next question that they asked from my friend was that they asked that how do you rate your performance in the SSB? All the tests, they asked that rate yourself in all the tests, that is the interview, psychological test and GTO. And if you rate yourself high or low, they will ask you the reason. They will ask you which places did you visit. They will ask you that how many friends you made. And if there is a doubtful case, they will ask you a SRT. Like from one of my friend, they asked me that you were coming from a cinema hall with your girlfriend, and you found some miscreant misbehaving with you and your girlfriend. So what will you do? So this question was asked to one of my friends. The next question they asked to my friend was that what is the biggest fear of your life? And again some question that which places did you visit. So friends, basically these are the few questions, and two important questions that I would like to discuss, that was asked to almost every friends of mine, was that how do you evolve from the SSB after giving this SSB? That what are the changes that you bought during these 5 days that will help you throughout your life? And if not army, then what else? If you are not selected this time, what will you do for the your future? These are the questions. These are the 10 to 12 questions that will ask from you. And if they are doubtful on you, they will give you certain SRTs. And if you are enough confident and give you correct answer, there are chances that you may get recommended. So friends, these are the things that I wanted to discuss in this video. Friends, I hope you like this. And friends, I have already uploaded my whole psychological test video. You can go to the channel and see the playlist. I have also uploaded my interview experience also. Friends, these all are the things that I wanted to discuss in this video. So friends, I thank you all for watching. Share knowledge, share success. Jai Hind. And in the next video again I will be discussing some important part of SSB. So friends, I thank you for watching. Share knowledge, share success.